Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a little script that will automatically sort your form responses by date. This will put your most recent submission at the very top. So you'll open up your spreadsheet where you have your results entered in. And once that spreadsheet loads, you're going to go to Tools, drop down to Script Editor. And when this new window opens, what you'll do is highlight, just delete whatever is currently in that box, and then paste the information that I sent you. And basically the line that you're the most interested in is this line number 5. This number 1 is your column number. You can sort it by any column. If you wanted to sort it by name, you could go to your column name, or whatever column you want to do it, just sort it by that column number. For example, column A is number 1, column B is number 2, column C is number 3. So the timestamp is going to be in column 1. A false means it's going to be sorted from Z to A, which is what we want in this situation. If you wanted it from A to Z, you would just change that and put it in true. So once I've pasted that in there, I'm going to save it. I'm going to name that that project. I'm going to say this is a time sort for sample high school. And then this is an important step. You're going to go to the trigger. A trigger is going to tell this little piece of code when exactly you want it to run. So we're going to add a trigger. All of this is going to stay the same, but I'm going to scroll down to this very bottom. I want this trigger to run. I want this sort to run every time the form is submitted. You have other options here, but we chose to do this when it was as soon as the form is submitted. That way you get every single response. Change to on form submit and save. It's going to ask you for some permissions. I just click through this. If you have multiple Google accounts, you might have to log in and log out and all of that. Once I've done that, it is in the process of saving. There is my new trigger. I can close that window. Now I want to save this again. So I'm going to save it. I can close this window. And now every single time this script is run, it's going to sort by this column, column 1, and it's going to sort from Z to A, which is going to be from the most recent submission all the way down to the oldest submission. Hope that helps.